talk about applied behavior analysis. What is it and how does it help anyone? Applied behavior analysis, which is popularly known as ABA therapy, it is the most scientifically driven behavior modification procedure. Now, any behavior, be it a child or an adult, if you want to modify a behavior of a person, this is the most scientifically driven method. Now, when we talk about ABA, let us understand ABC of ABA. What is ABC of ABA? A, B, and C stand for antecedents, behavior, and consequences. So any behavior occurs, there's something which precedes the behavior. Those are the antecedents. What happened? What triggers a certain behavior in a person? It is very important for us to understand if we are looking at modifying the behavior. And of course, what are the consequences after the occurrence of a behavior is also very, very significant. So now when we talk about the antecedents, let's understand human behavior has certain triggers, and we need to understand that if there is any unwanted behavior, be it in a child or in an adult, be it a child who is having autism or no autism, you need to understand that every behavior has something which triggers it. And now how do we control? How do we modify that? So to modify that, we need to understand the concept of reinforcement and punishment. What are reinforcements? Reinforcement is used to increase the occurrence of a wanted behavior, and punishment is used to decrease the occurrence of an unwanted behavior. So it's a very simple science. Once you understand it, you can really modify anyone's behavior. So let's try to understand even reinforcement, which increases behavior, are of two types: positive reinforcements and negative reinforcements. Punishments are also of two types. Punishments are used to decrease the behavior. There can be a positive punishment and there can be a negative punishment. So for all the parents who are parenting growing children and they really want to induct good behavior or wanted or socially accepted behavior in their children, they must understand the science of reinforcements and punishments. Now say for example punishments. Traditionally we used to say punishments should not be used because it leaves scars on the psyche of a child. Now let me explain this concept of decreasing unwanted behavior. When you want to decrease an unwanted behavior, you introduce punishment. What is a positive punishment? Positive punishment means adding something in the schedule of a child immediately after the occurrence of an unwanted behavior which the child does not like. Say for example that Max is a student and who gets poor results. So every time when Max will bring in home a grade C or below, C, D or E, mommy has made it a rule in the house that day dishes Max will do it. So mom is adding on a thing which Max does not like. So what Max does not like? Washing dishes. Mummy makes him wash dishes because the grades are not accepted. So what the child will try doing? The child will try doing getting better grades. That means decrease the behavior of unwanted grades. So if you want a child to decrease a behavior, unwanted behavior, then you must add on something which he does not like doing. That is what is called a punishment. And believe it, if you try doing that, you will be surprised that child's behavior will decrease, because child does not want to wash dishes or does not want that unpleasant experience which he gets by washing dishes. Now, what is a negative punishment? Negative punishment is taking away something. If you want the child to decrease a behavior, you take away something which he likes. Now, say for example, if the child does not behave the right way teacher wants him to in the class, he is denied of a PE period, or he has been given a time out from the class. So he doesn't like to stand out of the class, or he doesn't want to miss his PE period. So because he does not want to miss his PE period, he makes sure that in the class he behaves in the desired way. So undesired behavior in the class, which could be fidgety behavior, which could be running around in the classroom, when associated with something like this, the child starts decreasing this behavior. Whoever into the process of behavior modification should be very, very watchful and very, very cautious. Then only this works impact, you will have a greater impact on the behavior. Wish you good luck. Thank you very much.